Alright, for the MT-07, we're going to begin by removing the engine bolt, which is located in this area right here. For removal, you might want to begin by using a bigger tool to remove the engine bolt, since it might be a little bit tight. We're going to find the adapter and the puck from your kit. Both adapter and kits are the same for both sides. You can grab whichever you'd like. We're going to begin by pre-assembling the bolt and the washer. Insert it into your puck. We're placing 1 drop of thread locker at the end of the bolt. Go ahead and insert it into the bike frame. And we'll begin tightening by hand, making sure the thread catches correctly. Once the thread is caught correctly, we'll begin by using a lighter tool. And for final tightening, we'll finish it off with a torque wrench and tighten to recommended specs. Once that's tightened correctly, we'll continue on the left side with the same exact steps and finish off the installation for frame sliders.